Aircraft and components. Viewing aircraft details. Maintenance management is always complied with using the aircraft as a reference. The setting up of a new aircraft is completed by Avdex admin staff, but owner or operators maintain relevant aircraft information. Each aircraft may have one or more components linked. Components, such as engines or propellers, may be moved between aircraft or moved to store via the store function. This is done from the aircraft page. Please note that there are access restrictions on this page. Not all users will be able to perform all these tasks. Select the Aircraft tab on the main menu. Select the aircraft registration. Select a component by the serial number. The information will be displayed in the aircraft-related information block. A Calculate button is available to reset all maintenance due dates. Click on the blue Calculate button. Calculate all due dates on all linked components based on current usage. Moving a component to another aircraft. Class 1 components may be moved from one aircraft to another within the same AMO. It is vital that the actual removal and reinstall dates are used, as AMP will reset the reference times according to the aircraft hours on the date fitted. If no actual aircraft times have been added to AMP for that date, enter them before continuing. To move a component, it is necessary to first move it to the AMO store. This resets the reference times so that they are relative to the component. Moving the component to the other aircraft resets the reference times to that aircraft. Moving a component to the AMO store. It is important that the date the component was removed is used. This should be updated as soon as possible. If these dates are incorrect or entered incorrectly, the component reference times will be incorrect going into the store, resulting in unreliable data. Make sure that the correct aircraft registration is selected. Select the component from the drop-down that needs to be moved from the aircraft to the store. On the right below Store Components, select the Move Component from Aircraft to Store button. Calculate the aircraft for changes to take effect. Moving a component from the AMO store to an aircraft. It is important to always use the date the component was fitted to the aircraft. This should also be updated as soon as possible. If these dates are incorrect or entered incorrectly, the component reference times will be incorrect going onto the aircraft, resulting in unreliable data. Make sure that the correct aircraft registration is selected. Select the component in the blue block that needs to be moved from the store to the aircraft. Select the Move Component from Store to Aircraft button. Calculate the aircraft for changes to take effect.